Hello po at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay November 7, 2022, Lunes. At 48 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at welcome po sa special edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay isang special report tungkol sa Aboitiz Power at URC. Ito po yung mga earnings report nila, no? Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Ginagawa ko po ito araw-araw at binabalita ko ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa stock market, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking bibigyang pansin. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang earnings report ng URC at Aboitiz Power dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay galing po ng BDO Securities at ito ay dito po sa macro news, third quarter GDP growth likely slowed, sabi ng isang survey. Trade deficit narrowed to $4.82 billion in September. URC's 9-month 2022 core earnings up 9.2% year-on-year. At Metro Bank, 9-month 22 income up 45% year-on-year. AEV core earnings down 17%. Ito po yung AEV is for Aboitiz Equity Ventures. So yan po ang ating main news, pero ang ating headlines rather, pero ang ating main news ay galing po or makikita po natin sa Business World. Aboitiz expects 2022 net income to surpass last year as figure nears 20 billion. So si Aboitiz Power ay meron po siyang 9-month net income and ito po ay pinoproject na magso-surpass ng 2021 full year profit, ito po yung special news natin, pero tingnan lang po natin yung summary dito, Dito ay galing sa wala pala siyang summary dito. Pero dito po sa Business World, ang sabi niya, we have reported that in the first 9 months of 2022, we were able to achieve an income of close to 20 billion. It is almost the full year income of 2021. That should indicate that where we are going to end. Emmanuel B. Rubio, President and Chief Executive Officer of Aboitiz Power, said in a virtual briefing on Friday. Excluding one-off gains, the energy company reported a third quarter net income of 9.2 billion, a 65% increase compared with the level of the same period last year. And then for the first 9-month period, Aboitiz Power reported a core net income of 18.3 billion, a 16.6% increase from 15.7 billion recorded in the same period last year, which the company attributed to the fresh contribution of GN Power Dinging Ding Limited Companies Unit 1 and 2. Ang hirap i-pronounce nito, In 2021, Aboitiz Power reported a net income of 20.84 billion, 65.7% higher than the 12.58 billion recorded in 2020. Ito po yung summary, For Aboitiz Power, there is a reiterate buy with the higher target price, So the previous target price was 42, ginawa niyang 45. It's based on the study of BDO Securities now. Higher spot sales to drive earnings growth. 9-month core income up 38% year-on-year, ahead of expectations. So higher to. Generation boosted by new capacity, higher availability, and elevated spot prices. Tight power grid and elevated spot prices likely to remain in 2023 and 2024. So that's for Aboitiz Power. At mukhang magandang balita, no, for Aboitiz Power. And the next one is on Universal Robina. Strong sales support profit growth. No? So there is the buy rating remains, and the target price was increased to 150 from the previous 145. So the 9-month results broadly in line with expectations. Impressive performance across business segments. Action valuation. So there is a target price increase. And there is a reiterate buy. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news. So dalawa pong ating special feature today. That is on Aboitiz and Universal Robina. Okay, so let's now take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Yan. The index gained 110.05 points or 1.78% up. Nasa 62.95.58 or 62.95.58. Yan. Okay. So, kung makikita po natin dito sa chart, yung ating short-term indicator ay nasa ilalim na po, no? Plus yung 50-day moving average ay mas mababa kaysa sa presyo ngayon, meaning na paakyat na po ang ating index. Sa market activity naman, 117 ang umakyat, 62 ang bumaba at 50 ang hindi nagbago. Ang ating all-share index ay umakyat ng 1.22%. Samantalang ang halos lahat ng ating sectoral indices except mining ay umakyat. Ito po ay pinangunahan ng properties sa 3.45%. So mining lang po ang bumaba. And then, tingnan naman po natin ang most active stocks. Reviewin po natin ang nag-figure sa news kanina, si AP, si URC at si San Miguel. At tingnan natin ang top 3, si ICT, BDO at SM Prime. So, umpisa na po natin kay Aboitiz Power. So, si AP, yan, umakyat po siya, no? At maaring ito ay isang breakout. No? It's a breakout dahil merong above average volume at ang kanyang surge ay 3.55%. Ito po ang isa sa pinakamataas in the past 2 weeks. Kasi yung last na pinakamalaki niya was at 7.10% dito po noong October 4, no? And that was about a month ago. So meron po siyang breakout. Ang dati po niyang resistance na ngayon ay support nandito po sa 62 or 32.64. Yan po ang pinaka resistance niya before na ngayon ay support. At sa level na ito ay yung kanyang next resistance level. Nandito na siya. Medyo mataas na po yung next resistance level. Higher resistance po ito. Nasa 36.54 yung next resistance level po niya. Paakyat po yung kanyang RSI. Nasa 62.93. From a resistance or from a support of 32.64, nasa 36.54 na yung next resistance nito. And then si URC naman, tingnan natin si URC na yan, paakyat po si URC, no? At meron po siyang, hindi ko masyado makita, no? Wala siyang, nandito yung breakout niya eh. Noong October 27, may slightly above average volume siya, but the volume is not that significant, no? Pero nagkaroon po siya ng consolidation dito. Tapos nagkaroon ng continuation, no? May continuation po siya ito. Yung continuation niya noong November 4 at 119, 5.68% up. Ngayon ay tumuloy pa rin siya sa 128, ano? So, ang kanyang previous resistance na ngayon ay support na sa 121. Yan. Ngayon yung next support level, actually this is support level already, no? Ito po. Nasa 129 to 130 yung next support level po niya. And then San Miguel ay umakyat lang siya ng 10 centavos. Not so much, pero just piercing through yung short-term indicator niya, no? Yung support nandito sa 96.27, pero yung ating long-term indicator nasa itaas pa, no? So there is no clear upward trend yet. Although yung ating short-term indicator ay nasa ilalim na. Ngayon, yung resistance ay nandyan sa 103.06. Yan po si San Miguel. At meron po siyang dividendo, 35 centavos per share. Ang payment date is October 28, ex-date is October 4, so tapos na po ito. Payment date na lang ang inaantay. Pagkatapos si ICT naman, ICT naka-recover ba? Yes, naka-recover po siya, no? At in the past few days, meron po siyang volume. Tingnan nga natin yung yan. Kasi dito, nagkaroon na siya ng buy signal sa parabolic SAR. Yan. Although yung buy signal niya, nauna siya dito eh. Nandito po yung buy signal niya. Yung unang buy signal niya, oversold yung RSI noong September 30. But nagkaroon uli siya dito. A few days, nagkaroon na siya ng buy signal, sell, and then buy again, ano? So anyway, this is a breakout actually, and a continuation of the breakout here nung November 3. So paakyat na po si ICT, balik natin sa exponential. It's already bullish. Yung kanyang movement upward na po, yung kanyang trend, ano? Dahil na higitan na po niya yung kanyang previous resistance na ngayon ay support, nasa 179 po. Ngayon po ay nasa 190 na po si ICT. So paakyat na po siya. At 192 yung pinakamalapit na resistance level ni ICT, bullish. Okay? Then BDO, si BDO ay yan, umaakyat pa rin si BDO. At dito, hindi naman to breakout dito no October 27. Ngayon siya nagkaroon ng breakout sa day na ito, November 7, ano? At meron po siyang volume and surge, no? Yung akyat po niya is 2.36%. So dito nagkaroon ng sort of consolidation at simula po dito noong October 17 nung ang long-term indicator ay nag-cross sa ating mga candlesticks. After a few days, naging bullish na po si BDO, no? At paakyat po yung kanyang stock, nasa 130 na po siya. Ngayon, ang kanyang RSI nasa 64. So tingnan natin ang kanyang support ang kanyang support, makikita po natin na nandito. Yan, nasa 122 yung support niya. And the next resistance level, nasa 131. This is resistance level already, yung 130 na po ito. Okay, tapos yung higher resistance, nandito po sa area to, nasa 139, 138 to 139. Yan. Then finally, SMPH, bumabalik na po ang tao sa mall. Yan. Another surge, pero hindi po ito breakout. Kasi yung volume niya is just average eh. So nagkaroon lang ng surge sa kanyang volume, pero napakalaki, no? 5.26%. And nalagpasan na po niya yung moving average, yung medium exponential moving average natin. And on the short and medium term, ito po ay turning bullish already. At tingnan nga natin to. Yan, ano? So, nagkaroon, yung parabolic SAR, nagkaroon ng sell dito in the last 4 days. But today, it's a buy rating, ano? Not actually a buy rating, but a buy signal with the RSI at 57. So, from a support, nandito siya sa 31. The next resistance level, malalagay po natin dito sa 36. 35.93 to 36. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market, ika-7 ng Nobyembre. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.